Hello, and welcome to UZ Marketing's YouTube channel. In 2022, we have made it our goal to provide as much knowledge as we can to our customers. That's why this year we are excited to be producing several brand new series to help you grow your business and conquer any challenges that come your way. Our first series will be to focus on mindset. Mindset is key when growing a business. We'll give you tips and tricks on how to unlock your full potential as a business owner and how you can improve your daily life. Our second series will focus on branding and design. Join our marketing director, Justin Lee, as he provides advice on design and important things to remember when building a brand. Lastly, our third series, backed by popular demand, will be interviews with small business owners, like yourself. We believe learning from your peers is one of the best ways to gain knowledge and innovate new ways of doing business. So join Destinee Lavalais as she pries open the minds of like-minded individuals to see what makes their business tick. I hope you're as excited as we are to share in this journey. So don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified when a new video drops. See you soon.